In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stretch text in Canva. Sometimes when you're working on a design, you might find that the text doesn't quite fit the way you'd like it to. Maybe you want it to span a little wider across your canvas, or just have more impactful stretched out lettering. Whatever the reason, stretching text in Canva is a straightforward process that can enhance your design significantly. First, let's begin with opening Canva and navigating to your desired design project. Once you've got your project open and the text element you want to modify is visible, look for the text box you want to stretch. This is often the first step whenever you want to make modifications to your text. It's all about clicking on that text box first. Once you've clicked to select your text, you should see a bounding box appear around your text. This is your cue that the text is ready for editing or modification. In Canva, this surrounding box is instrumental as it allows you to easily manipulate the text size and positioning within your design. With the text box selected, you'll notice small handles or anchors at the corners and midway along the edges of this bounding box. These handles allow you not only to resize the entire box, but also to stretch the text inside. What you'll need to do is click one of the center handles along the side edges, either left or right depending on which direction you want to stretch the text. Once you've got a handle firmly in your grip, drag it outward. While doing this, you'll see the text inside the box, stretching to accommodate the new size of the bounding box. This action can help elongate your text to better fit your vision. Remember, stretching is all about adjusting and trying to find the right balance. You don't want to overdo it and distort the text too much unless that's the specific look you are going for, and that's pretty much it. With these quick steps, you now know how to stretch text in Canva. Doing this can help enhance the visuals of your text elements, making them more dynamic and suitable for your design projects. Whether you're designing for a poster, flyer, or social media content, having control over your text flexibility is key. I hope this guide has helped you learn more about manipulating text within Canva. Remember, practice is vital, so feel free to experiment with different text sizes and fonts to find what best suits your project. Thanks for watching and happy designing.